Welcome back to a brand new video. But in this video, we have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 unboxing video for you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful device. Oh my gosh. I can't explain to you how this feels. I can't explain to you how this... Wait. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. Let's open this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. And also, look. Listen, that's satisfying. Click to it when you close it. Let's power this boy on! Wherever it is. Hold on. I gotta find the power button. Fingerprint scanner thing. Oh, look. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. And guess what, guys? I just switched over to this device, but I'm switching over to this device. I just switched over to the S model of the brand new phone. And now, I can't wait to get my SIM card in there because this thing's sitting here now. This is epic. Welcome. It says welcome. Alrighty, start. This is insert a SIM card. So while that's transferring, let's see what else is in this box. Got this package with SIM card tool. Already don't want to lose this. And of course, we got the nice power brick. You got the very pretty power brick right here. Listen to that. Oh, very nice. Oh, wait. It's getting messed up. Pixelate. Here it is. It's right in.